Today on Device Doctor, we're introducing the HP LaserJet MFP M236sdw printer. It's a fast and reliable all-in-one printer, perfect for both home and office use. Let's check it out.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
This is a powerful all-in-one printer that can print, scan, and copy. It's designed for home offices or small businesses that need reliable performance with high-quality results. Printing. The HP LaserJet MFP M236sdw prints up to 28 pages per minute, so you get your documents fast. Whether you're printing 1 page or 50, this printer can handle the job. The 600 by 600 dpi resolution ensures that your prints come out sharp and clear. Whether it's text documents, reports, or presentations, this printer delivers professional results every time. One great feature is its automatic double-sided printing. This means you can print on both sides of the page without having to flip it manually. It saves you paper and time, especially when you need to print a lot of documents. The automatic duplex printing feature makes it a great choice for saving resources and being more efficient. Copying. For copying, this printer can handle up to 28 copies per minute. It has the same high-quality 600 by 600 dpi resolution, so your copies will be clear and professional. If you need to make a quick copy of a document or several pages, this printer has you covered with its fast speed and sharp output. Whether it's a text document or a photo, this printer ensures that your copies look just as good as the originals. Paper handling. This printer is designed for busy environments. It has a 250-sheet input tray and a 150-sheet output tray, so you won't need to constantly reload paper. It also has a maximum paper weight of 163 GSM. The HP LaserJet MFP M236sdw is a reliable, high-performance all-in-one printer that's perfect for home and small office use. It offers fast printing, clear scanning, and high-quality copying with many useful features like automatic double-sided printing and wireless connectivity. If you're looking for a printer that can handle all your printing, scanning, and copying needs, this one is definitely worth considering. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment and share your thoughts with us. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.